Hi, here is Mayuri. Hi, here is Mayuri. I'm going to talk about my task related to the data science and business analytics. My task number is 5, exploratory data analysis. First of all, I am importing NumPy as NP for the numerical computation, Pandas for the data processing CSV file. I import Matplotlib for the visualization. Seaborn as a SNS. It is a modern visualization. I won't ignore the warning. That's why I'm importing warnings. And percent matplotlib inline. It is applied for the show the graph. I'm importing my data related to the match using this command and importing data related to the deliveries using this command. Next, season data is equal to data export ID season and winner. Complete data is equal to data merge season data how inner left on match ID right on ID data head. This command gives only 5 rows, first 5 rows. I want see the data shape using this command related this data shape related to the match. This is a data shape related to the deliveries. I want see number of columns in my data related to the match. This is the gives command number of columns on what is the name. You see here match in third umpire has a null value. That's why I'm ignoring that using this command. Data is equal to data drop columns third umpire access is equal to 1. This is shows the drop particular column. Then wins per season data grouply season winner and value counts. This is gives the counts winner per season. Number of matches played in each IPL season. PLT figure size. This gives X dimension, this is a Y dimension. SNS count plot season data is equal to data palette HSV. Count plot is a use for the if you want histogram. That's why that therefore you using this command and a palette gives the each bar different count color. Each bar different color. PLT dot title gives the title your chart and the X label, Y label, PLT dot shows. From this graph, you conclude that the highest number of matches played in IPL season was 2011, 2012 and 2013. Next, the number of matches won by team. Figure size, SN count plot, X is equal to winner, data equal to data, palette, and this is the title name X6. This is X6 gives the it is display the tick marks on a x-axis. If it is equal to 0, then tick marks is a horizontal. X label team, Y label number of wins, and number of wins, and PLT dot shows give the graph on your windows. See here number of matches won by each team. Highest number of matches won by the Mumbai Indians. Next, data win by NP where data win by runs greater than 0, bat first, ball first. From this graph, win data by value count, label, win index, size, win value, color. For I want two different color, that's why this command passing. Then plt dot pie. This is command for the pie chart. Size, label, color, and this is percentage, shadow, and a start angle of this pie chart. This is a title and plt dot shows. Next, number of matches won by batting and bowling first. Same figure plot See, I want a histogram, that's why I'm passing this command. Title, X label, Y label. See here, from this graph, we conclude that the team which ball first has a higher chances of winning than the team going to first batting. Next, we plot pie chart on toss decision. Toss is equal to data dot toss decision value counts. Label NP array toss index size toss dot value. This is command for the two different colors. This is the x dimension, y dimension. I want pie chart, that's why I'm putting this command. Size, labels, color, or and shadow, start angle, title, toss result, font size and plt dot shows. plt dot shows. From this graph, you conclude that after winning toss, more team decided to the fielding. We plot graph on number of matches won by toss. Number of matches won by toss. PLT figure. This is x dimension, y dimension. I want histogram. That's why I'm passing this command. Previously, title, xlab, ylab, and plt dot shows. From this from this graph, we conclude that in final terms, which decide to do fielding first win the match more than team which goes to batting first. See here, this is a fielding, this is a batting. Next, we will print season wise. Final matches, data drop duplicates, subsets, season, keep last. Final matches, season, winner. Reset index drop is equal to true and sort value is equal to season. Season wise and winner team. From this graph, we will plot pie chart on winning percentage in a final. This is a final match dot value. Value counts. Huh? Label NP array toss index size match color. I want two colors, two different colors. That way, this x dimension, y dimension. I want pie chart. That's why give this command title and the plt dot shows. From this from this chart, we will conclude that in final most term after winning toss decided to do fielding first. We will print name of top player in IPL. PLT dot figure size x dimension y top player. I want top player data from match data player of match value count. I want first 10. If you want first 5, I'll be here put 5. Subplot figure x plt. Subplot x y limit y label and title. Top player I want bar chart from Seaborn library pie chart I will plot using this command. Oriented is a vertical. From this graph, we conclude that the top player of the match winning are Chris Gale and second was AB de Villiers. We will print IPL final winner along with the number of wins. This city winner how many times wins. We will print number of season won by team. Final match winner team and count. See here Mumbai Indians has a lots of time win. We will print toss winner, toss decision, winner in final match. Final match, toss winner, toss decision, winner, reset index drop is equal to true. Then we will print man of the match, man of the matches, final matches, winner, player of the match, reset index drop is equal to true. This is a winner list, winner team, and a play of the matches. In final match, in a final match, final match, final match toss winner equal to final match winner winner. from this command, it is interesting that out of 12 IPL finals, 9 times team toss was also which team win the toss, those team win the IPL. We will print the 4 hits by team. 4 complete data, batsman run is equal to 4. Group 4 data, group by batting team, batsman run, aggregate run by force and sum and force count. This is the team name. This is the run by force and force. How many times is force? Then we will plot the 4 hitted by the player. 4 hitted by the player. I want see first 10. That's why I'm putting here 10. Why you putting here ascending? By default, ascending is equal to 0. We want descending order. That's why ascending is equal to 0. By default, it gives the ascending order. That's why. X6, I already told you, X labels, Y label, and PLT dot shows. From this graph, we conclude that the highest number of 4 hitted by player is a Gautam Gambhir. Next, we will plot the graph for hitted in each season. Group data season wise, batsman's run, aggregate 4 count, reset index, plot season 4. Kind I want bar chart, that's why, and color is a red. Already I told you PLT title, 6, label, Y label, and PLT dot shows. I shows this graph, number of 4 hit each by season. There. I want see 6. How many 6 are going? 6 was, you see here. We will plot figure. We will plot the graph on 6 hitted by a player, batsman. 6, 6 data group by batsman runs. 6 count and ascending order. I will told you already. This is I want first 10 title X6, X labels, Y label, and PLT dot shows. From this graph, the highest number of 6 hitted by player is a Chris Gayle. Then next we will plot graph on 6 hit in each season. This is a season wise data which hits the 6. We will print top 10 leading run score in IPL. Batsman score data group by batsman's runs. Aggregate sum, reset index, sort value, sum ascending is equal to 0, reset index drop is equal to true. Batsman score, rename column, sum, batsman run. I want print top 10 leading run score in IPL. I want first 10, that's why I am passing this command. You see here, batsman SK Raina, Virat Kohli, and Ajit Sharma is the top leading run score in IPL are SK Raina, Virat Kohli, and Sharma. Then we will print number of matches played by batsman. Number of matches, player data, match ID, and player dismissed. Yes. See here SK Raina, Gautam Gambhir, and Sharma. Dismissed in IPL, PLT dot figure, X dimension, Y dimension. I want histogram, that's why I'm passing this command. X PLT dot title, X label, Y label, and X6. I'm showing the graph. And most of the dismissals in IPL was most the by catch out. From this graph, I conclude that dismissals in IPL was most by catch out. and then the data drop equal to subset decimal kind wicket data equal to decimal kind is in a run out, means I will given cases of the different. We will print IPL most wicket talking bowlers taking by bowlers. We will print IPL most wicket taking by the bowler. Most from this output, we conclude that the IPL most wicket taken by the bowler by SL Malinga. And all of you see, this is conclusion by I'm this is conclusion according to the my exploratory data analysis.